In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to Calendly. By the end, you'll have your Meta Pixel connected so you can track key scheduling events for better ad optimization and retargeting. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and find Integrations and Apps. This is the hub where Calendly connects with marketing and analytics tools, and it's where we'll add the Meta Pixel. On the integrations page, you can scroll and browse through the available options if you'd like to explore what else is possible. For today, we'll focus on Metapixel. The fastest route is to use the search bar at the top. Type Metapixel, then select the Metapixel integration from the results. This takes you to the integrations details page, where you can read a quick overview of what it tracks and how it works with your booking pages. Click Go to set up to begin. You'll see a field asking for your Pixel ID. This is a numeric identifier for your Metapixel. Think of it like an address that tells Calendly exactly where to send event data. Paste your Pixel ID into that field. Take a moment to double check it for any extra spaces or characters. Accuracy here ensures your events land in the right account. If you're not sure where to find your Pixel ID, click the link that says, "Where can I find this?" Calendly will guide you to the right place to locate the correct number. This built-in help is especially useful if you manage multiple pixels or are new to Meta's interface, and it reduces guesswork so you don't connect the wrong one. During setup, you may be prompted to log into Facebook. Go ahead and sign in to confirm your permissions and make sure Calendly can send events to your ad account. This authorization step links the tools behind the scenes and keeps your tracking compliant and secure. That's the core of the setup. You navigated to integrations and apps in Calendly, found the Metapixel integration, went to setup, pasted your Pixel ID, used the "Where can I find this?" helper if needed, and signed into Facebook when prompted. From here, Calendly can begin sending relevant scheduling events to your Metapixel, giving you clearer insights into which campaigns and audiences are driving actual bookings. If you run into issues, the most common culprits are a mistyped Pixel ID or being logged into the wrong Facebook business account. Verifying those details usually resolves things quickly. Thanks for watching and enjoy the added visibility your Pixel integration brings to your scheduling funnel.